Hello, and welcome to My Math, Your Math. Today we're going to talk about how to add and subtract fractions. I do it in 3 nice and easy steps. First, you find the LCM, the least common multiple. That's the smallest number that they both fit into nicely. The LCM of the denominators. Number 2, you change the denominators into that LCM, and then you add them or subtract them or whatever. So we have one with adding, one with subtracting over here. So we're going to start with example A. All right. 5 over 7 plus 2 over 3. So the denominators are 7 and 3, and for step 1, we need to find the LCM. So the LCM of 7 and 3. So the smallest number that you can think of that 7 fits inside of and 3 also fits inside of. It actually happens to be their product, which is 21. Is 21. So step 1 done. Step 2, we must change the denominators. So we're going to go ahead and multiply the 7 by whatever we have to multiply it by to equal 21. So that means we multiply the 7 by 3. And whatever you multiply the bottom, you got to multiply the top as well. So the top gets multiplied by 3. 3 over here gets multiplied by 7 to equal 21. So you multiply the top by 7 as well. All right. So for step 2, after changing the denominators into the LCM, we get 15 over 21 plus, what is that? 14 over 21. Okay? And then now when we have two fractions where the denominators are the same, all you do is add up the numerators and it's still the same denominator. So this is actually going to equal 15 plus 14, 29, right? Same denominator over 21 is the answer. Now this is a improper fraction. If you sleep better at night with this being a mixed number, we're going to turn it into a mixed number as well. Some people like mixed numbers more. 21 fits inside of 29 one time, so it's going to equal 1. And how many left over? 9 minus 1 is 8. Out of 21. This is the mixed number for the answer, and this is the improper fraction for the answer, depending on which one you prefer. They're both correct. There's different forms. All right. So, example B, 9 over 14 minus 4 over 7. Step 1, we need the LCM. The LCM of 7 and 14, the LCM can sometimes be one of the two numbers, and in this case it is. Equals 14. So when that happens, we leave one of the fractions by itself. You actually don't touch this one at all. All you do is multiply the second one by 2 to get to 14. So our step 2, you get 9 over 14 you leave alone because the bottom's already 14. 4 over 7. 7 gets multiplied by 2, so you have to be equal 14, and then you got to multiply the top by 2. And then we are left with the same first fraction, 9/14, minus 2 times 4 is 8 over 14. And then now we can just do the third step. Combine the numerators. 9 take away 8 is just 1 over 14. So 1/14 is the answer for that one. All right.